Welcome to Keysight Education Portal. Today, we will be discussing the Digital Quality Dashboard for Keysight PathWave Manufacturing Analytics. On PathWave Manufacturing Analytics homepage, click on Digital Quality. This dashboard gives an overview of project quality, volume, and yield. Select Company. Select Site. Select Date. Choose the starting date and ending date of the data to be reviewed. Click on Go. We see that Digital Quality Dashboard shows 5 statistical graphs of detail information. The first graph shows the daily volume. When we mouse over each point, we see the daily volume of first pass, retest pass and failure count. Let's move to second visualization. The line chart of daily first pass yield and daily final yield. When we mouse over each point, we see the daily yield that are represented in percentage value. Apart from daily pass yield, dashboard also provides daily first pass yield and daily final yield for each project. When we mouse over each point, we see the daily pass yield of each project. It is easy to compare the pass yield among various projects. Next, let's move to volume by project. Mouse over each point, we see the volume of first pass, marked in green, volume of retest pass, marked in orange, and the volume of fail, marked in red during the selected duration. In addition, PathWave also provides the top 5 worst test names for each project. When we mouse over each point, we see the failed tests and the failure count respectively. This information enables us to focus more on these failure tests and then solve the issues.